What's with trees like this banyan? How do they manage to look both ancient and alive, like they're hiding 100 secrets? This one, Miami's rooted treasure, feels larger than life. It's a tree full of life in Florida, standing proud in the city like it owns the place. I found it on a walk, camera slung over my shoulder, hunting for something different to shoot. You know the feeling when you're hoping to stumble on something that stops you in your tracks. That's exactly what happened. This banyan wasn't just a tree, it was an experience. The roots were everywhere, twisting and curling down to the ground like a web of wood. I couldn't help but get closer. Once I started snapping pictures, I realized this wasn't going to be a quick shot. Every angle showed something new: knotted roots, patches of smooth bark, and even strange little carvings from who knows when. I had to kneel down, adjusting my lens, just to get the roots' wild shapes to stand out. While I was shooting, a tiny lizard darted across the trunk and disappeared into the maze of roots. That lizard, living its best life in this massive tree, kind of summed it up. This banyan isn't just sitting there, it's alive. It hosts an ecosystem, anchoring itself to the ground, as if saying, "This is my spot, I'm staying." It made me think about how trees like this are more than just part of the scenery. They've been here through storms, sunny days, and all the chaos of city life. And yet, they stand firm, they adapt, they thrive. It's kind of inspiring when you think about it. I finally got my shot: the roots, the textures, and the light filtering through the thick leaves above. But honestly, no picture can do it justice. If you're ever in Miami and spot one of these massive banyans, stop, take it in. You might not see what I saw, but I promise you'll feel something.